Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a tornado warning for central Pulaski County until 5 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Naomi, or 11 miles west of Somerset, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Nancy around 4:45 p.m. Pulaski County Park around 4:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Somerset. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Pulaski, Kentucky,